Self-defense, the ultimate goal of self-defense is to escape, to get on with your life. It was interrupted for some reason because someone targeted you.
Whoa!
Stabbing, or slashing, something every one of you is quite able to do, and it works. Hitting them with this, which is really all, whatever little juicy items you have on the back of this, is hopefully raking across the face, the eyes. It's going to do a lot of damage. Once again, turn and strike, and follow up with a strike. Let's just say it hurts. It might hurt more. It's like scratching with a claw. So you're going to want to inflict as much pain as you can. Let's give that one a shot.
Okay. All right.
Either if you can get away, get away. If you can hit me again, that's where it becomes.
Sorry.
When I go like this, I hope you're going to get me again. Okay, good. That's what I want to hear. Squat. You could actually just go like this. It works. It is effective. And it is versatile, so I hope it can help you. I actually hope you'll never have to use it.